Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Shooting this video with the Google Pixel 2 XL in my left hand, so there might be a little bit of this. Not utilizing a tripod right now, but hopefully not a lot of this. You ever watch videos on YouTube and like throughout the whole video it's like this? Yeah, that'd give me a headache. Anyway, hopefully I don't do that. So stay with me. Wanted to talk a little bit about battery life on the OnePlus 6T since throwing my SIM card into the 6T on Monday before my graveyard shift that day. So around 11 p.m. I started using my OnePlus, and it says here that it was last fully charged 15 hours ago, and that was at 2:03 p.m. in the afternoon. So that was after I was already off work and doing some other stuff, and I decided to take the screenshot at that point because now I'm down to 14%. Remember, that's 11 p.m. all the way. I started at midnight, then I got off around 8:30 a.m. and then started just doing a bunch of other stuff that I had to take care of, chores, and then around 2:03 when I took the screenshot, it was 14%, and it got 6 hours, 3 minutes as far as screen on time. That is amazing battery life, and I do a lot on my devices, whether I'm working or not. I'm always doing something, especially when it comes to answering your feedback in any video that I upload. I constantly, throughout the day, am getting notifications, and I go into the channel, and I get back to all of you as much as possible. I really work hard on doing that. And then, of course, a lot of other areas that I utilize my smartphones for. The 6T that day did me right, and it has been doing me right ever since. And it's been on the back burner. I've been using the Google Pixel 2 XL. I've been using my Sony Xperia Z2 Premium as my daily driver. So I decided it was about time to use the 6T, and just missed using it. And I think my only complaint, now this is for me personally, it may not be for you, my only complaint with this device, this smartphone, is that it doesn't have stereo speakers. If they OnePlus, had implemented stereo speakers on this device, the 6T, wow. Just crazy. Wow. You have to agree with me there. You got one speaker right down there. If the earpiece was doubled up as a speaker, it was a legitimate speaker, man. Even better if they were both on the front. I think OnePlus really has to think about implementing dual speaker setup. And hopefully on the OnePlus 7 we get that. We'll see what happens once that device comes out. Anyway, today, let's go into the settings here. And right now, I'm at 43%. Okay. Charged, last full charge 13 hours ago. And I'm at 6 hours and 21 minutes. 43%. Now, I'm going to go to bed here in a little bit. If I wanted, I'd probably end up getting 8 hours screen on time. That's just crazy. That is just crazy. The 6T is amazing as a phone. It's amazing when it comes to performance, functionality. It satisfies everything that I want from it, except for the fact that it doesn't have a dual speaker setup, a stereo dual speaker setup. And outside of that, wow, this is one killer sweet device. All right, there you go. That wasn't as quick as I wanted it to be, but either way, thanks for watching. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. Peace. God bless. I'm out.